guys, I'm here at Roxburgh Park. There was a Siemens departing, so I couldn't get in most of it. It was a bit late. There was also another Siemens. Some freight locomotives hauling a standard gauge train. They've been waiting at the signals over there for quite a while. And there's freight's just parked. Roxburgh Park consists of 2 platforms and several tracks to the side. I'm not sure what gauge they're in. That's looking towards Flinders Street, and that way is looking towards Craigieburn. The next City Loop service is at this point is in 16 minutes. There's a look at the overpass. Well, it's not really an overpass, but how you exit out of Roxburgh Park. I'm currently standing on platform number 1, and here's platform number 2. Roxburgh Park also has a bus interchange. Closer look at the freight train. There are 2 NR classes and 1 DL class. That's DL40. I think the second NR class is NR36, but I'm not sure about the first. I can't see it. And up the track, I think it's the junction for the Upfield line. Although trains from Upfield do not currently run past Upfield to get to here, but there are plans to extend that in the future. And here's an overview of Roxburgh Park's station, although you can't see much. It's platform 2. We've got an N-class passing. This will probably be an Albury service. N473, it's a loco. And some N-class carriages. That should be going to Albury. We've got a Craigieburn service arriving. It's another Siemens. $840M, 2570T, 839M, 738M, 2519T, and 737M. Siemens is now departing. We've got another Siemens arriving for a City Loop service. $727M, and 2514T. And the Siemens is now departing. Its next stop will be Coolaroo, then Broadmeadows, Jacana, Glenroy, and all stations to City Loop and Flinders Street. 2501T and 702M. Sorry, I missed the middle car, third car. And the freight locos are still sitting there. shortly there'll be a sprinter passing for a Seymour service, and also a freight loco passing. (702) and 714 were the sprinter car numbers. We've got a freight train. It'll be going on the opposite side of the one that's already here, so you won't see much of it. The numbers didn't really get them, but it should be going slowly enough. Okay, GML 10 is the first loco. And then 8030. And the last one is RL 310. Not too much more of it to go now. Soon the other freight train should be able to proceed. And the other freight train's almost come to a stop. Now this freight train can proceed. The NR class is with the DL class. I think it can proceed now. coming towards the end of the freight train now. And now you can get a better look at the tracks. There's 4 standard gauge tracks, I'm pretty sure, and some more beyond that don't look like they're used much. We've got a City Loop service arriving. It's another Siemens.
The 110 City Loop, stopping all stations between the street except Flagstaff. Your next service to depart from platform 1 will be the 110 City Loop, stopping all stations between the street except Flagstaff. When travelling with Mikey, remember to touch on and touch off.
$737M is the front car, and 2519T. Departing. Also got a Siemens arriving for Craigieburn service. Anyway, 839M, 2570T, and 840M. Back to the Craigieburn service, 800M, 2550T, 799M, 822M, 2561T, and the rear car's 821M. Now departing. Anyway guys, I'm going to wrap this vlog up. Thank you all very much for watching. Hope you enjoyed the vlog, and make sure you continue watching my vlogs, subscribe to the channel, and like the video. See you next time.